Rick Allain refuses to sit still. Long after the workday has ended, you can find him here, tinkering, as he calls it.
It's basically no paint, no stain. It's just all natural grain woods.
Every wall display, a piece of his art. But Rick's woodworking nearly came to an end this year when pain shooting down the hip kept him from standing.
I missed work for 7 days. First time in my entire life I ever missed a day of work.
The problem was a common one. Arthritis was causing changes in the joints of Rick's spine.
As some of those joints became bigger and knobbier, they were starting to crowd the passageways for the nerves.
Dr. Ted Choma is director of the Spine Surgery Division at MU Healthcare's Missouri Orthopedic Institute. To relieve Rick's pain, he removed overgrown tissue compressing the nerves. It's a procedure done at MU Healthcare's Spine Center roughly 500 times a year.
With the aging population in America, it's becoming increasingly common because the older we get, the more of us are dealing with the secondary effects of arthritis.
Today, nearly a quarter of all adults in the U.S. have arthritis or chronic joint inflammation. While surgery isn't always the answer, it gave Rick the immediate relief he needed.
Now I could wake up on a Saturday and spend the whole day in there at the saw and just get a lot done. And that piece looks to me like it would go right there maybe.
Back to his craft and working on the next 3,000-piece work of art. From the University of Missouri, I'm Teresa Snow.